We may not drink salty ocean water, but it doesn't mean that it's not beneficial for the planet and us. There are tons of benefits of seawater, such as it's filled with skin-loving minerals like sodium, magnesium, calcium, chloride, and sulfate, which work as natural cosmetics for our skin. That's not all though. Some elements in the seawater may heal diseases like asthma, bronchitis, arthritis, and general pains. You can expect to sleep well at night after taking a bath in salty waters. The amount of salt dissolved in the body of water is called saline water or salinity. Salt water has theatrical effects on ocean circulation and the water cycle. Salinity levels are significant as they affect seawater density directly along with temperature. Research reveals that ocean water is getting less salty, and that is not a good sign. How much salt is present in the ocean? Seawater simply refers to water that makes up the seas and the oceans, and these oceans cover over 70% of Earth's surface. Believe it or not, seawater's composition is rather unusual. It comprises 96.5% water and 2.5% salts and other substances, such as particulates, organic and inorganic materials, and a few atmospheric gases. 35 grams is the average amount of salt in 1 liter of seawater. Approximately 1.4 sextillion kilograms of seawater are in our oceans, which means that about 50 quintillion kilograms of salt are present in the ocean. That's almost the moon's mass. Why is the sea salty? As we've told you before, around 70% of the Earth's surface is covered with water, and 97% is saline. Most of this salt is added to the oceanic water with the help of rain. The rainfall has some acidic properties, which break down the rocks formed near the oceanfront, after which salts and minerals are carried to the sea in a state of ions. Now, let's come to the central issue of concern. Much of the Atlantic Ocean has become less salty since 1960 due to an increase of freshwater runoff caused by global warming. Global warming has melted glaciers and rains, resulting in fresh water in the ocean. In theory, this may seem less harmful as one might think we'll get plenty of fresh waters. However, according to scientists and environmentalists, this marks the onset of another environmental catastrophe. The importance of seawater salinity. Ocean salinity has the potential to affect essential processes of the sea in a good way. These processes may include ocean circulation and heat transportation. In addition to this, salt water also helps transfer nutrients worldwide. But without salt in the water, marine life would be decimated, and the weather on the Earth would change dramatically. It'll make life on Earth very difficult. There are over 450,000 species discovered in the ocean, and approximately 2 million more are yet to be discovered. If the water in the ocean is desalinated, we're not going to be able to find them. Impending dangers. The Gulf Stream is weaker than it has been in more than 1,600 years due to fewer salt levels, and if this continues, it could dramatically change our lives. Europe will get even colder, and the temperature could fall up to 10 degrees Celsius. Agriculture in India and Africa will collapse, and many areas might get flooded. The US may see horrifying hurricanes and even harsher weather along with floods. As water with a low salt level is less dense, adding fresh water may affect it. Even if a slight change in currents in the ocean occurs, it may cause some heat waves. It may take 10 or even hundreds of years to see such changes in the climate due to salt levels decreasing by the day, but it is something that we should be wary of and make sure to take notice of. But what do you guys think? Let us know in the comment section down below. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like and subscribe and press that bell icon to stay connected. But until then, we'll see you in the next video.